users worldwide. Kofax Power PDF is an award-winning PDF editor that's easy to use, secure, and affordable for individuals and businesses of all sizes. It's built to look and feel like MS Office, meaning anyone can start using Power PDF immediately. You can edit a PDF in seconds, create editable forms with just a few clicks, and merge files and images into a single PDF to make combining documents a breeze. Collaborate with team members or clients via integrated commenting. Request e-signatures from anyone with an email address and quickly redact confidential details for privacy and compliance requirements. Need to step away from the computer? With the new Kofax Power PDF mobile app, you can easily edit PDFs and securely sign documents. With the best-in-industry OCR, scanned documents and forms will require significantly less editing and reformatting than competing editors. Power PDF is also very affordable. The best part is, buy it once and own it forever. With all of these benefits, it's no wonder our customers love Power PDF. Named top-rated PDF editor on TrustRadius and a top 50 Office product on G2, Power PDF is available on both iOS and Android, so download it today.